Well, have a listen to one of our members in our community, their testimony. Testimonial? Yeah, have a listen.
Hi there, I'm Linda Adams Barrett, and I'm celebrating my 80th birthday this week. Who would have thought? My main message is age doesn't matter. 18 years to 80 years? It really doesn't matter. I wish I'd seen something like this when I was 18, but it's okay because I went on to help over 40,000 inner city students in New York become certified as CNAs, nurse techs, and medical assistants and enter the healthcare field. I loved those times and I loved those students. But then I adopted 2 little girls and wanted to stay home to raise them. So for the last 20 plus years, I have tried everything to find a way to create financial stability for my family. And then I found this amazing, ultra supportive community and platform that is helping me reach my goals and my dreams. I'm on track to leave a legacy for my family now and for generations to follow. With hand-holding every step of the way, if you truly want to change your future, you can do it here. Remember, age doesn't matter, 18 to 80, just go for it.